Today I'm sitting down with my signatures, a handful of stickers, papers, and little details, and we are just going to see where the pages take us in this daily snippet episode. I have this page which is empty, and by the end of this video it won't be. All these stickers, backgrounds, tiny details look random right now, but watch what happens when they become part of a page. I also brought another of my mini color paint swatches journal, which I love because I feel like at this point we can work on two journals at the same time. I just love to make journals, and sometimes you have the perfect sticker or image for that page that you remember that needed something else. So welcome to my channel. This is Maria here, and as long as it is contained with this journal, they are all simple ideas that mean a lot to me. If you watch my last video, you'll know that I love to come with creative ideas, and if it is new, much better. So if you have any ideas or things that you have enjoyed in your journals, let me know in a comment down below. I strongly believe that all these stickers, backgrounds, tiny details look random right now, but watch what happens when they become part of a page. Journaling isn't about perfection. It is about memories, textures, and little moments, one detail at a time. So I have no plans, only some materials and blank pages and other pages that need something else. So stay with me in this episode and let's do it together. This is what I wanted to work on today, and I kind of just wanted to add some backgrounds and stickers to some of the pages. In this case, you can see that the background was a tiny bit smaller than the actual page, so I am trying to cover the background because I really don't want to cut it. I love the size the way it is. So I'm gonna use these backgrounds that I have, and I'm gonna cut little strips of paper that I can use to finish the edges under this beautiful image. I truly love it, and I think that this image matches perfectly with the other page because of the amaryllis flowers and the two girls. I really love it. So as you can see here, I'm combining stickers with background paper, and to some of the pages I just going to keep going with this future amazing journal. Currently I have 3 detached signatures, but I'm thinking to add a fourth one so I can work on it during the first semester of the year. And now let's transform this empty page. I'm going to use this map, and I was thinking to make a pocket, but I'm really not convinced by the pink background with the blue dots. So let me see what other idea comes to my mind. You'll see what I mean when I say daily snippets, and it is because when you are a creator, you are going to find a daily space to share with your passion, your art, unleashing your creativity. I must say that it is therapeutic and it is a moment when your mind exercises and your soul dreams. This was an amazing video in which I transformed and upcycled this envelope that was going to end in a landfill into a double envelope. And this is the way I am organizing my images. And I remember cutting all these images from a biology book that I really loved. And as I have that pink flamingo there, I want to keep the theme like for the ocean and the sea. So I brought all these fish and in order to decorate these 2 pages. So I think that that pink goes perfect with the scales of this fish. Is kind of a little bit like iridescent, so I really think it's the perfect cutting for this page. And then I'm gonna keep going with the same theme as I said, and I have a bunch of fish here, and I'm gonna try to use another one on the page here in the back. This postcard I had it from the Atlantic Aquarium. I'm gonna use it later on in the video. I like the shape of this fish, but honestly it doesn't match at all with the pink on the other page. So as you can see, I have flowers, I have a little piece of lace, but it doesn't matter. We just want to create texture, we just want to have fun while working and relaxing. And you can see, as I always say, that when the journal is ready and the page is on fire, the image or the cutting or the sticker is going to appear. And that's the case of this fish. Isn't this perfect? Let me know what do you think about this idea down below in the comments in this episode. And you can see here the colors, they match perfect with the background. I cannot believe it, but I am truly in love with this page. Oh, I still have another flap here without anything, without any background, and I'm trying to use this pink background little piece of paper somewhere, but I think it's not the time for it. So I'm gonna instead look for another piece of the papers that I have, probably a sticker. Let me see, I need to have the perfect size, so I'm gonna probably use a big paper. As you can see here, sometimes we need to reinforce the stickers with a little bit of glue. It doesn't matter and it's perfect, so we have a better result. And well, I decided to use this beautiful paper with shades of turquoise and beiges and brown. It's really beautiful. So this is almost ready, and I'm gonna glue all the sides of the flaps, and the envelope is finally done. This is the result for the page, and I think I have, for each page I have an opportunity and I have a space to work. So these 2 or 3 more pages I'm going to do in the next episode, and now let's keep going with this page. I found this beautiful poem, and it was a long time ago, and I think it was a printable. I'm so sorry because I don't remember where did I get this from, but it was beautiful, and I fell in love with those tones of pink in the back, and so I decided to place it here in the stock spot. And as I have a mushroom on the other page to the right, I'm gonna add another mushroom here. And as I said, look, even my ring with the blue butterfly and the mushroom and the blue flowers, they all match. So the moment is perfect, and I think is the perfect choice for this page. The only thing is that the paper in which I printed is a little bit flimsy, so I'm going to use scrapbooking paper to give the poem a little bit more or support and make it more sturdy. And as you can see, I'm still going with the mushroom theme for these two pages, and these kind of stickers, I love them because they're clear, so even if you glue them on top of a text, like in this case, you're gonna be able to see the text, see the words, and read them. Then I still have mushrooms there, you see what I'm saying? And finally, I have the second piece for that little piece of cardstock that is pink and blue. On the other side, I have this flamingo with flamingo food and a little booklet. I'm still going with the theme of fish because, as you can see, I had this also from the Fember Amber that was a seahorse, and I add some sparkly little particles there in a plastic bag. So I'm gonna keep going with a theme, and that fish, like that color, that blue, it was amazing for this page. And finally, I have a space to use this postcard from the Atlantic Sea Aquarium. It is an amazing place. If you haven't been there, please try to visit because you will see animals and marine fauna and amazing animals that not even in our dreams we can imagine. So visit this aquarium, it's really amazing. And then, well, what I'm gonna do here is I don't wanna glue it exactly on top of the pocket, but I wanna glue it a little bit lower so I create that kind of an angle there that makes a difference. So as you can see, this is actually a collection of fish that I have. I love to use fish in my collages. And if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Just leave me a comment down below, subscribe to my channel. You can do it hitting the picture here or this in this corner, and I'm gonna leave you two more interesting videos at the end of this episode. So click here and here and you'll be all set. Oh, and please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. That's gonna help me a lot. I see you very soon in my next creative episode. Bye friends. Bye bye.